Because of the fact that this thing is peeling off of the RNA strand, and because of the fact that it has carbons, oxygens, hydrogens, and nitrogens, we get an effect called the hydrogen bond. And as it peels off and as it begins to get made in the cytoplasm, this thing will then form secondary structure. So the second level of protein structure, the secondary structure. And in the secondary structure, hydrogen bonds come into play. Notice here a carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen linkage. Where? Between the H and O, because you know that a hydrogen bond takes place between hydrogen and oxygen and hydrogen and nitrogen. So we can see that we have these bonds starting to form these secondary shapes. What's one secondary shape? Well, one secondary shape is called a helix. In this alpha helix, this portion of the polypeptide has twisted into a helical shape. They're weak bonds, but they're enough to give it a shape. Sometimes, simply by rotating the angle of that bond, you can get sheets instead of helices. And so you get these beta-pleated sheets where they will lay side by side and form V's. Again, what's the driving force behind this secondary structure? Hydrogen bonds. There they are again, the dotted lines. So hydrogen bonds, secondary structure, big parts of the eventual formation of a protein.
Mind Bites.